How to fix camera distortion in Realme C53 or C55. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, clean your camera lens with soft cloth or tissue. After clean your camera lens, then open your settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and click on camera, and then here you can see the option storage usage. Now click on it and here you can clear the cache memory of camera. After clear the cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update. Now click on software update and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back to your home screen and open camera. Now on top right corner you can see these three lines. Now click on it and then click on settings. Now scroll down and click on restore defaults and then again click on restore. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.